Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy StarkNet domain. It's easy to get a StarkNet domain on zk-ns.xyz. The link would be in the description of the video. Now this website leads you to the ZK name service. So once you're on ZK name service, how can you get yourself a domain? Simply input a username or a domain you'd like to have. You could put something that would be available or something unique to you. Any characters can be placed, and once you've selected the character you wish to use, click on connect wallet. So click on connect wallet. So once it's shown, select the Bravos wallet. Once you selected Bravos, you'd be asked to connect your wallet. So make sure you approve of the connection in your wallet. And once your wallet has been connected, you'd find it here. So now the next step is to simply search or enter a domain name. Once you've entered the domain name, use the magnifying glass icon to simply search for an available domain. And as you can see, this domain is available. That's what it says here. Domain is available. And with this in mind, simply scroll down and you'd find the register option. So the number of years are shown. You could register for up to 5 years or more, depending on how much Ethereum you're willing to pay. And the Ethereum here is the StarkNet ETH. So make sure you have some StarkNet ETH on your Bravos wallet. If you do not, simply deposit from either a centralized exchange or another wallet where you have some of the StarkNet Ethereum. So once you've gotten your StarkNet Ethereum on your Bravos wallet, simply head over to register on StarkNet and click on the register option. And it's going to pull out the Bravos wallet, asking you to approve the connection. So once the Bravos wallet opens up, you're shown allow your wallet to use, allow StarkNet to use 0.05, and you can have a look at all of this stuff, but make sure you're paying your gas fees with the StarkNet token, not Ethereum. So all you need to do now is simply sign the transaction, and this domain name would become unique to you. So guys, that's how you could easily buy a StarkNet domain. Do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.